Hey there, this is Ryan from TradeGenius.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to go from Apple Pay to S-Token from Sonic in under 5 minutes. Now to start, you're going to go to Genius Wallet or TradeGenius.com, and you're going to download the wallet. After that, you're going to create your account, if you don't already have one, using Google or Apple. After that, you'll click Deposit. You'll select Apple Pay, where you can deposit up to $500 per week without KYC. In this instance, I'm going to deposit $30. We're going to put in basic information like our phone number and our name. We're going to click double tap to Apple Pay, and in just minutes, you're going to see the Solana show up in your account. Now, after you have that Solana show up in your account, you're going to swap that Solana to the S token. So if you click the 2 token, you'll click Core, and you'll see S token by Sonic. You'll type in the dollar value that you'd like to swap, and you're going to confirm. Now, the second confirmation will show you the total fees in place, and in just seconds, you will see that Sonic token show up in your Genius account balance. Now, it's important to mention here that you can export your private keys at any time and move those funds to any wallet that you desire. It's also important to mention that you can also swap those Sonic tokens to any token on Sonic or any other blockchain that you desire. We aim to be the one place where you have full custody of your funds, but can swap any token for any token without having to worry about gas fees or bridging or any of the other complex blockchain user experience issues. So thank you so much for watching, and you can find us at TradeGenius.com.